Hakuna mine nungandik, hakuna matata.
Yeah, hakuna matata.
I was over there. I've just walked.
Yeah.
Walking in the sea.
Yeah.
Can I Yo my people them, it's your boy Jyley. Jet skiing was sick, you know, but it was a big ordeal. I tried to film some footage on this camera, but the camera nearly dropped in the water, and if that happened, everything that I filmed would have been non-existent, would have been gone. So I had to put my camera away and actually just jet ski and just have a whirl of a time, no pun, I'm no well. But now, plan of action, we're back in the yard, just gonna get ready, have a shower, and get some food, and then go on a little night out. Because tomorrow we're leaving Zanzibar actually. We're gonna head back to Dar es Salaam. So I just want to give you guys an update. So until then, I'm just gonna go in the shower over there, have a little chill, sleep there, and then yeah, get some scram, get some food. But like when I say, like, comment, share, all that jazz. Just support your boy. We're out here in Tanzania. It's amazing. So peace and much bulletproof love. Gyley Noir, au revoir. Boom. Greetings from Jambiani Beach.
Yeah.
Mambo.
Mambo poa, mambo.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata. It's Maasai language Kinyamini. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Maasai language Kinyamini. Or kurumlongi. Okay?
Kinyamini. Kurumlongi.
Kinyamini or kurumlongi.
Wait, take it. Kinyamini
or kurumlongi.
Kurumlongi.
Yes.
Yes.
Hakuna matata.
What does that mean? The King Maning?
Yeah, so hakuna matata in Zanzibar. Hakuna matata. All people. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Kinyamini or kurumlongi.
Hakuna mine nungandik. Hakuna matata.
Yeah, hakuna matata.
We're outside.
Yes, good.
But I just wanted to show you lot the beach, yeah? But the tide.
Yeah.
Look. Because it's 9 in the morning right now.
Yeah,
but
so now it's morning.
We'll explain to them what happens with the water in the afternoon.
Yeah.
In the afternoon, the tide, would the water come out here?
In the afternoon and the PM, and they say come back. So, 4 and PM.
4 PM.
Yeah.
That's when the
big.
Yeah.
So now it's go.
Because look, whenever you look, wait, let me pan this back around to Gyley. Whenever you've ever seen a beach like this, I'm actually gonna walk out into the sea, you know, like a Moses parting the Red Sea. But look, the boat's just chilling, solid ground. Is that your boat?
Yes.
Ooh, look, you got all these little crabs.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, look, it's stopped. It's seen the camera. It's camera shy. Yeah, there's loads of little ones.
Yeah.
See, look, I'm just gonna walk out.
Yeah.
It's ooh. At least the water's nice and warm. Ooh, whoa. Yeah, I nearly dropped, boy. Ooh.
Yeah.
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 So what's this?
It's good.
What can you? I'm not walking in that.
No, it's good.
Wood.
It's good, yeah.
Or seaweed.
Yeah. So to say.
And then what? People just walk because there's loads of people down there, so they just keep walking.
So and people and algae.
Algae.
Algae, yeah.
What's algae?
Algae. So in I don't know for English. Sorry.
Oh, is it like algae? I know algae.
So, and for here, and then I bring for village, and tomorrow I bring for Stone Town.
Oh,
And then I
okay.
put for soap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's good for the skin.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to go get some. But
Yeah.
I need to carry on. Let's walk. Let's see how far we can.
Yes, let's go. Let's go.
Go on then. Oh, you can walk on top. I thought man was gonna drop. Oh! Oh my god, wait. Let's go again. Yeah, it's floating. Like, oh, I'm trying to put. Walk around that way? Nah. Let me try again. Let's go again. See? See you lot again. It's all authentic. No cuts, no stops and that. You're getting it live in the flesh. But can I walk on that, yeah? Oh God. Okay. Let's go. This is Jambiani beach, people.
Yes, it's Jambiani.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
Lead the way, lead the way.
It's called Jambiani.
You lot,
Yes, it's called Jambiani beach.
I'm risking this, you know. I could just drop, camera could be gone. I'm doing it for y'all. For you lot, man. Like and subscribe. Oh! Man, look, I'm actually walking down the beach, you know. Look.
Yeah. It's on beach. So,
Are those, what's this thing?
Come.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what's that? Sea urchin?
It's so dangerous.
Dangerous.
It's not to have shoes, yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay. Well, spiky. What is it? An animal or? Oh yeah, the spikes are going up.
No, it's not flat. It's so high.
But what is it? Is it an animal?
Yeah.
What animal is it? Sea
Yeah. So it's not to have shoes.
Yeah.
It's so dangerous. It's
The spikes, yeah.
yeah.
Well, thank God for the crocs. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Is there going to be any fishes? Is there any fishes?
It's
Or-
fishes.
Yeah, the fish is actually going to be more out there. Ah, this is sick though, man. Can't believe the water, the tide. Not here yet, but oh, man's just walking out into the sea, you know. Oh, no, drop. Yeah, I got my shoes. I got my shoes. Now it's getting a bit.
Slow. So it's not to have shoes. It's not good. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, let me step on it without the shoes. No, actually, no. I'm joking. Oh, this is sick, though. This is amazing, man. This is amazing, man. Man's walked. Look, I was over there. I've just walked.
Yeah.
Walking in the sea. This is so surreal. Me and Oti.
Yeah.
My guy Oti here, my G.
Yes.
He's from Arusha, which
From
is
Arusha, yes.
further up north in Tanzania.
Yeah.
But how comes you come to Zanzibar?
I come to Zanzibar for 3 weeks, and then I go back home, and then I go home 1 week, and then I bring to have this business. We selling is Maasai decoration.
Sorry, selling what? Sorry.
I say we have is Maasai decoration,
Okay.
and that we selling.
So do a lot of the Maasai tribe come to Zanzibar? Whoa!
What happened?
Daddy, bro. Aye,
I'm sorry.
And then he broke my foot, you know. I break my ankle in the sea. Jambiani. Where's the nearest hospital?
It's a school.
Hospital.
Hospital is here and the schools here.
Yeah, because you would have to take me to the hospital, and the school for me to learn not to mash my foot up.
Okay.
But like I was saying, do all the Maasai come to Zanzibar?
Yes.
Because of the tourists, they make money, and then you take the money home.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
For family.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good. That's amazing to hear.
Yeah.
It's all about family.
Yeah.
And good people, man. See, that's what I'm saying. You lot, yeah?
Yeah.
When you meet people with good energy, like I met Oti today.
Yep.
He was just minding his business on the beach.
Yes, yeah.
But when you have good energy and good aura and positive energy around you, you surround yourself with people like that. And it's been nothing but lovely with him showing me this beach, man. Jambiani. Like, I'm literally just walking.
Yes.
And walking. But how far does this go?
Yeah, it's so steep now. And the water is go. And now it's water is go.
Yeah.
And the letters come back. It's slow. It's not good. It's sorry.
The spiky thing got me.
Wait. Oh, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
So where was the hospital and the school? But we still go on, guys. Oh, no, yeah. I'm actually in my pain, bro. It is what it is. But yeah. So what, you gonna get algae today?
Sorry?
Are you gonna get algae from?
Yeah, it's algae.
Algae.
From sea, yeah.
But yeah, man, guys. Views from Jambiani. I hope you're enjoying this. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what, stop? I say, is that a baby octopus? What is that, a starfish?
Yeah.
What is it? A starfish?
No, it's not a starfish. It's like color like starfish, yeah.
Can I touch? No.
Okay.
I need to wash my hands, bro. Nah, that felt weird. No, Oti, it's cool, man. Hey. Aw, yeah, put it back in the water before you don't want it to perish. Oh. But yeah, this is sick. Like I said before, the Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Zanzibar, right?
Yeah, Hakuna Matata, Zanzibar. Not problem, Zanzibar. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Oti trying to let me touch this thing again, bro. Nah.
Okay, you try again.
Why?
It's no problem.
No, Hakuna Matata, that's
Hakuna
problem.
Matata, it's no problem.
Man has wrong at me, but I need to touch that. I was bare slimy and
okay.
yeah. So all the people out here, are they Maasai?
No, it's not Maasai.
Oh, who are they?
It's people from village. All is Maasai from Tanzania. It's not in Zanzibar.
Oh, okay.
So Zanzibar we come for this for business.
Oh, for business.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to see what that woman's doing over there.
It's all is women. All is women.
Oh, woman, how comes?
It's men.
Oh, that's the man over there.
Yeah.
But, yeah, let's see what they're doing. So what's that, Oti? Is this the algae?
Yeah, algae.
So what?
Algae.
So what do you do with it?
So I bring for village. Tomorrow I bring for town. And I put for machine soap.
Oh, you make soap with it?
Yes, I make soap.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is, feels, does it have a smell? No.
Yeah.
So this is what, okay, it's cool.
Yeah.
So you just come here, take all the algae you make?
Yeah.
Okay. That's sick. See, mate, you lot, man, you're getting real life experience right here.
Yeah.
So I'm with OT, Maasai tribe. Do your Googles about the Maasai tribe. They're the warrior tribe, right? The Maasai tribe. Maasai tribe.
Yeah, yeah.
They're the warrior tribe.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah, hakuna matata. It's in Zanzibar. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah. So ocean for Zanzibar in Jambiani.
Jambiani.
Yeah, in Jambiani. So good.
Hey guys, look, just caught up with this lovely lady called Hakiba. She's here trying to get the algae as well. So is she going to use the algae for soap?
Yes, it's algae for and tomorrow. Today I bring for village and tomorrow I bring for Stone Town. Yeah, so I put for soap.
Yes.
I put for machine and this for soap.
So does everyone use this for soap?
I forget this soap. It's the name for soap. So
okay.
Yeah. So it's so algae.
Algae.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long has she been out here today then?
So here and ina siku ngapi ili fundi?
How many hours?
Kama miezi miwili. Manake hapa napata leo tuseme bakua hili. Alafu naje bakua jingine. Alafu naje bakua jingine. Alafu bakua la 4
ndio nafuna.
Ndio nafuna.
Kwa hiyo mwezi mmoja.
Wana mwezi mmoja au bakua mawili.
Yeah, 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so you do this for a month?
So 1 month and then it's good.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I help her get some? Can I help you get some algae? Can I try? I help. How do I do it? You know your boy Jyley had to help. So what do I do? Untie it like this. Like this?
Kama hundo umeharibika au
okay. We out here. We're outside. We're outside.
Yes. Wanini unaharibu? Anaharibu.
Say Oti.
Yeah.
See look.
Yeah.
Jyley's out here with algae in Jambiani Beach.
Yes.
With the locals and Maasai tribe. Nah, for real, man, this is an amazing experience, and I'm just glad to share it with everyone. So, and I'm here helping. So, that's the best thing. I'm actually helping. But you put this in the bag. Where do I put this? Seal this to make the soap.
Yes. Make some soap.
Lots of soap. But until then, peace and much bulletproof love. Gyley Noir, au revoir. What did you say, Oti?
I say it's London. We have ocean. It's paradise like Zanzibar. And no.
London having this.
Yeah.
There's no. We have the River Thames.
Yeah.
But it's not this.
It's not this. It's them. Yeah.
This is paradise. Yeah.
Yes.
London, there's no ocean or beach.
It's not ocean or beach.
No.
It's a mountain, London. Yes.
Mountain?
Yeah.
No. But see, if you ever came to London,
yeah,
it'll be a surreal experience for you because you haven't had to experience cold weather.
Cold, yeah.
But you're gonna want to come back to this paradise because this is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's ocean.
But yeah, there's ocean, but London there's nothing like that.
London is nothing.
nothing like this. London's nothing like this.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
Okay, yeah, man. Good. Zanzibar is good.
Yeah.
The Zanzibar is big ocean. It's paradise.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
It is,
So
man.
it's Zanzibar. It's hot.
Yes.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, look, it's 9 in the morning.
Yeah, for me it's too much hot. Yeah.
Oh, you don't like the heat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hot.
Ooh, the spiky thing got me again. But yeah, I'm just glad to be here.
Yeah.
Glad to help and give back to people that's here as well. That's all that matters, man.
So London is cold.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Yeah, really cold.
Bare cold.
Big hot. Yeah.
That's why everyone wants to get away to come, like here, to get to the heat.
Yes.
Because it's too cold.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The heat. But I would just like to say, Oti.
Asante sana.
Asante sana that means thank you. Asante sana means thank you very much.
Yes, asante sana.
But
Thank you.
I just want to say asante for taking me out there in Jambiani Beach. But I was out here by myself just doing. I was gonna walk out by myself.
Yep.
This guy guided me. I'm happy he did because that spiky thing got me, but it would have been plenty more times. Got to see the algae, which was amazing.
Yeah.
So really nice for real, man. Asante sana.
Yes,
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, guys, come visit Zanzibar.
Yeah.
If you come to Zanzibar, if you come to Jambiani Beach and you see my guy Oti,
Yes.
say hello, give him a shout.
Yeah.
Karibo.
Karibu, yeah. Karibu. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah.
So give him a good welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Asante sana.
Asante sana.
Asante sana.
How do you say peace? How do you say peace and love in?
I don't know.
How do you say love in Swahili?
Napenda sana.
Mapenda sana.
Napenda sana Jambiani. I love Jambiani. So I love you in Jambiani.
Yeah.
Asante. Napenda sana Jambiani.
Okay, you heard it here.
Napenda sana Jambiani.
Come on.